President ka Voice of the People Party uba Ardent milaba sayamoy. Ulaong baka party kan Iatreilang bat kipara Liangpyrshah, Tang Halor kimat kibede ka jala bat kipat ba, Henry kamkwa bantau da ka ganhun senrop. Ka Liangpyrshah ka don ka Congress sangut ki MLA, ka TMC sangut bat ka VPP ka don saungut. Henry kine kilayat la ka jong ka linti, kram thau ya kanu ka ganhun. Habakran menta ka khatndu tarik rampang arja arpausau, uba Ardent ulaong banadu ka sngi baningkong, ka VPP kan om yadan benta bantau da ka syakri bat ki weipat ki Liangpyrshah Henry kan Iatreilang Halor kimat bara ki dokot Liangpyrshah.
Take up supporting each other in the house. We may come from different political parties, but if we jointly, suppose if a Congress bring issue that is affecting the people and the state, we will not sit idle. We will also join hands. We will also support. We will also participate in line with the issue that will be brought by the Congress. Even if any other political party like TMC, we will join. So it all depends how we manage our strategy inside the house. Not necessary to have a nomenclature for that matter. You see, a nomenclature only for the unity of opposition will not work. We may have one nomenclature, but if we are not willing to take up serious issue inside the house, what is the point of having a nomenclature? It's all a nomenclature, the wrong perception on the part of the people. It's all about seriousness. There are 14 MLAs in the opposition. If all the 14s are serious enough, and participate in every question that we put up before the house, the government will be placed, in such a situation that it will not be able to just take things like that. That is not the fact. When we talk about the unity of the opposition, it doesn't mean that unity will come only under one banner. Right from day one, we have expressed from the party that we will be cooperating with all the partners in the opposition as long as the issues, are concerned about the state and its people. So for us, we will work with anyone based on issues. So we will not have any problem to cooperate, to support issue raised by some other political parties in the opposition. But we don't feel the need, to have a single platform in the opposition.